For the invocation.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for your parents' holy days. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each other. May we honor one another in your and holy name. If we voice our truth and listen, bless everyone present. Each may be able to share his perfect honor wishes and gifts. Grant communion and safety to loved ones that are outside this room, and restore peace and goodness to all of us. We ask for the wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities that we do this day be a success for your intervention. We gratitude we offer this prayer in worthy.
Please take your seats. Presiding for today's activity is the chairperson of the Beach and Awards Committee, Engineer Neil L. Macarel. Good morning, sir.
Morning, everyone. This meeting is now called to order. Back Secretariat, kindly confirm if we have a quorum.
The BAC Secretariat respectfully confirms the existence of a quorum, and in this regard, Mr. Chair, allow me to state the names of those who are in attendance. Besides the chairperson, Engineer Neil L. Macareg, we have the following members: Engineer Benedict D. Sagun. Good morning, sir. Miss Letterin C. Samosa. Good morning, ma'am. We have Miss Sofia M. Batilara. Good morning, ma'am. And Mr. Napoleon Gonzalez. Good morning, sir. The end user, provisional member, Mr. Andrew Panganiban. Good morning, sir. Also in attendance, Mr. Chair, the following members of the technical working group, headed by the assistant head, Ms. Rochelle Andy Palapan. The head is indisposed, Mr. Chair. The members, Mr. Engineer Rafi B. Fabros, Mr. Paul Kleng, Erico B. Tampok, Ms. Jaya Piches L. Galban, Mr. Adrian Patrick G. Andal, and Ms. April Lino Burgos. That's all, Mr. Chair.
With the quorum duly established, kindly state the order of business.
Yes, Mr. Chair, we have the following agenda for today at 9:30 a.m. Starting this hour is the procurement of RICO C9 200 printer consumables and spare parts. Click package for 1 year under NPO BAC 004-26 with an ABC of 6,429,764 pesos. And at 1:30 p.m., the procurement of janitorial services for the National Printing Office for 1 year under NPO BAC 003-26 with an ABC of 15 million. Further, Mr. Chair, may I request the body to acknowledge the presence of our prospective bidders from Pero Sistemas Corporation, Mr. Bencio Joby R. Santana. Good morning, sir. And Mr. Rodrigo Rod A. Costudio Jr. Good morning, sir. We are now ready to listen to the general rules for this activity, Mr. Chair. General
Proceed.
rules.
General rules. During the conference, all participants are expected to follow the general rules to ensure an orderly proceeding. Participants are requested to arrive on time. Bidders' authorized representatives, who are physically present at the venue, shall register and sign the official attendance sheet, while those participating through online platforms must indicate in the chat box their company name, company address, authorized representatives, email, and contact numbers. Proper meeting decorum must be observed at all times. Participants are required to keep their mobile phones on silent mode, observe courtesy and professionalism, and raise their hand if they wish to speak, waiting to be recognized by the presiding officer before doing so. All questions should be relevant to the subject matter being discussed, and unauthorized recording of the proceedings is strictly prohibited. Failure to comply with these rules may result in consequences, including a warning for minor violations or removal from the conference in cases of serious or repeated violations.
Mr. Chair, in adherence to the requirements of Section 43 of the Implementing Rules and Regulations of Republic Act 12009, the BAC Secretariat endeavored to send notices or invitations to the following observers: Ms. Clarice E. Palitic, State Auditor 3 and Auditing Leader of the Office of the Resident Co-Auditor of the National Printing Office on May 20, 2026, to the Secretary General of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry on even date, May 2026, the Executive Director of the Philippine Business for Social Progress, also on the same day, to the President of the National Printing Office Workers Association, May 2026, and to the Manager of Consumer Operations of the National Printing Office Multipurpose Cooperative, also on May 2026, Mr. Chair. And further, I would like to announce that the BAC Secretariat received the following bids related to this procurement project. Pero Sistemas submitted its bid proposal at 8:39 a.m. Today, June 29, 2026. June 9, 2026. We are now prepared to open the bid envelopes and conduct the preliminary examination of bids. May I request the body to recognize Ms. Ira Chantel Helaos and Ms. Bernadette Rufino. Ay, sorry. Ms. Flory Jane Kiskis. Sorry, Mr. Chair.
Ms. Kiskis and Ms. Ilaos are now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Again, good morning, everyone. We're here to open the submitted mother envelope from Ferro Sistemas Corporation. We received mother envelope properly marked, signed, and sealed. Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening of the mother envelope?
Proceed.
Thank you po.
I forgot to acknowledge Attorney Elaine Ansa.
Morning na. Morning, Atty.
Inside the mother envelope are two envelopes, financial component envelope and technical component envelope, both properly marked, signed and sealed. We will turn over the financial component envelope to the batcher until such time the bidder is declared eligible for opening. Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening of the technical envelope?
Please proceed.
Thank you po. First requirement submitted by the bidder is their copy of the certificate of PhilJEP's registration, platinum membership, issued on March 17, 2026, valid until March 17, 2027. Under their Annex A, SEC certificate, registration date March 2, 2018, mayor's permit, expiration date March 11, 2027, tax clearance expiration date February 19, 2027, audited financial statement, date of filing April 15, 2026, pickup license not applicable. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their statement of single largest completed contract under Supreme Court of the Philippines, date of contract, notice of award December 11, 2024, contract December 18, 2024, purchase order, notice to proceed December 18, 2024. Kind of goods, 1 unit digital production printer, banner type, amount of contract 3,385,000 pesos. Date of delivery, January 6, 2025, with attached sales invoice number 3475, dated January 6, 2025, with certificate of satisfactory performance, dated April 29, 2026, signed by Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana. Showing you the notice of award dated December 11, 2024. The copy of contract. The copy of purchase order. The notice to proceed. The copy of sales invoice with number 3475. Delivery receipt with number 3782. Another delivery receipt with number 3789. And a copy of the certificate of satisfactory performance. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their computation of their net financial contracting capacity with total NFCC of 373,799,744 pesos, signed by Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their statement of all its ongoing government and private contracts. The bidder submitted 20 ongoing government contracts and 4 under private, with total outstanding amount of 41,260,096 pesos, signed by Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their bid securing declaration. Again, duly signed by Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana, dated June 1, 2026. Notarized by Attorney Rizal Jose F. Valmores with MCL in number 8. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their conformity with the technical specifications under Section 6, Section 7, and Supplemental Bid Bulletin, if applicable. Showing you the Section 6 Schedule of Requirements, duly signed by Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana. Their compliance under Section 7, Technical Specifications. Again, duly signed by Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their notarized omnibus sworn statement. Just a correction po, what we've shown is the affidavit of the compliance of the bidder for the said project. Signed again by Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana, dated June 2, 2026, notarized by the same notary public on June 3. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is the notarized omnibus sworn statement. Again, duly signed by Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana, dated June 1, 2026, and again notarized by the same notary public. As requirement submitted by the bidder is their notarized secretary certificate authorizing Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana, project manager, to be the authorized representative for the said project. Duly signed by Joanne C. Libunao and notarized by the same notary public on June 3, 2026. Mr. Chair, that's it for our presentation for the technical component envelope.
Thank you, Ma'am Ira, TWG, for the observation and recommendation.
Upon examination of the required contents of the technical component envelope, specifically the valid and updated field job certificate of registration, including Annex A of the field job's registration, original and duly signed statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract, with attached sales invoice and certificate of acceptance with at least satisfactory rating, the bidder's original and duly signed computation of net financial contracting capacity, the bidder's original and duly signed statement of all its ongoing government and private contracts, original copy of duly notarized bid securing declaration, conformity with the technical specification under Section 6 and 7 of the bidding documents, original duly signed and notarized omnibus sworn statement, and original notarized secretary's certificate, submitted by the Ferros Sistemas Corp. The technical working group finds the submission to be complete. Accordingly, the TWG respectfully recommends that the committee proceed with the opening of its financial component envelope.
The TWG's recommendation is now before the body. In a motion from the members of the BAC.
Mr. Chair, I move to adopt the recommendation of the BAC TWG.
Any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is hereby adopted. Please proceed for the opening of the financial component envelope. Kita tabi mo na lang. Kausapin natin si
The bidder submitted 5 pages, financial component envelope, each page a signed initial. The bidder submitted their bid offer amounting to 6,429,764 pesos. And signed by Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana. Showing you the price schedule for goods with the same amount, 6,429,764 pesos. Again, duly signed by Mr. Jovencio R. Santa Ana. Mr. Chair, that concludes our presentation for the bid opening.
Thank you, Ma'am Ira. Ma'am Rochelle for the comment and observation or recommendation.
Upon examination of the required contents of the financial component envelope submitted by Ferros Sistemas Corporation, specifically the original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form, and original of duly signed and accomplished price schedule, as prescribed under the IRR of RA 12009, Rule 8, Section 52, eligibility requirements of the technical working group finds the submission complete and compliant with the requirements. Accordingly, the TWG respectfully recommends the formal acceptance of the financial proposal and further recommends that the bid be considered for detailed bid evaluation to determine its calculated price.
The TWG's recommendation is now before the body. Any motion from the members of the BAC?
I move to adopt the recommendation made by the TWG, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is hereby adopted. and proceed for the bid evaluation.
Mr. Chair, pending the result of the bid evaluation that will be conducted by the TWG, I respectfully recommend suspension of the proceedings for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
May I ask the body to recognize Mr. Adrian Andal as presenter for the evaluation report.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. The Technical Working Group of the Bids and Awards Committee would like to present the bid evaluation report for the project Procurement of Ricoh C9200 Printer Consumables and Spare Parts Click Package for 1 year under identification number NPO-BAC-004-26. Conclusion and recommendation. Based on the result of the bid evaluation as presented in this report, the bid submitted by Ferro Sistemas Corporation in the amount of 6,429,764 pesos for the project procurement of Ricoh C9200 printer consumables and spare parts click package for 1 year under identification number NPO-BAC-004-26 was found to be mathematically correct, with the total bid as read being consistent with the total calculated bid. In accordance with Republic Act number 12009 and its implementing rules and regulations, the Technical Working Group hereby recommends that Ferro Sistemas Corporation be declared as the single calculated bid and that its bid be subjected to post-qualification for the purpose of verifying, validating, and ascertaining the truthfulness, authenticity, and sufficiency of all documents submitted in support of its bid. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Duly noted, Mr. Chair. Having no other matters to discuss, the back secretariat